Hello, good morning, everyone. So
Good
on
morning, ma'am.
behalf of, good morning, everyone. So on behalf of IIC, I would like to tell you that we are organizing a poster competition on the occasion of National Energy Conservation Day that is being celebrated every year on December 14th since 1991. So the Bureau of Energy Efficiency under Ministry of Power spearheads a celebration every year, and it is observed on 14 December to spread awareness about the importance of energy and the need of conserving energy by using the less energy. So the Ministry of Power is celebrating Energy Conservation Week from 8 to 14 December 2021 under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So several activities have been undertaken by Power CPSUs as part of the celebration. So Energy Efficiency Bureau is a constitutional body that works under the Government of India and helps in the development of policies and strategies to reduce the use of energy. So our main objective of the Energy Conservation Act in India is to appoint professional, qualified and energetic managers and auditors who have expertise in policy making, financial management and implementation of energy related projects. So the true meaning of energy conservation is to avoid unnecessary use of energy and to use at least energy so that energy sources can be saved for the future uses. So to make energy conservation plans more effective, every person should include energy conservation in their behavior. So now I would like to call Divya ma'am to proceed further. Divya ma'am, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. I would like to call on the first participant. I want Ashutosh to show his poster to us. The sharing screen is on, so everybody can share
Yes,
their
ma'am.
poster.
Ma'am, you have to remove your screen and then the Ashutosh will.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Uh, shall I start?
Yes, please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ashutosh Mishra, BBA Shift 1 Section D. So I would like to talk about the idea and the inspiration that I got to make this poster. So basically, in today's time, we all talk about the technological advancements, but one thing that we neglect is the environment. And so I feel that both technology and environment should go in hand. That that is where the idea of sustainable development comes. So I think if there is a balance, it would be good for our development and our sustainability. Now, the thing is that today, there are many companies who started electrical cars, which are obviously better for the environment, and because they create less pollution and harms us less. So I think we are working towards the future, and it will be a better and green future for us. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ashutosh, thank you for your presentation. Now, if Harshita, you can hear me, I want you to present your poster.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, is it visible? Ma'am?
Yes, it is visible, Harshita.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can I start with my presentation?
Yes, of course, you can start.
Energy is the fundamental part of the universe. India's sustainable and sustained economic growth is placing enormous demands on the energy resources. A very pleasant morning to everyone. I'm Harshita Saxena, a student at Jim Vasanthul College. So my poster basically represents the importance of using renewable energy resources, as renewable energy has gained a lot of attention in the last few years due to its increasing benefits. As many organizations investing in renewable sources are not just for its long-term advantages on savings, but also due to sustainability perspectives. Some of the renewable energy resources shown in the poster are solar energy. It creates clean and renewable power from the sun and benefits the environment. It requires less maintenance costs and reduces green gas emissions. Geothermal energy. It is the form of energy conversion in which heat energy from within the earth is captured and harnessed into various uses, such as cooking, bathing, space heating, etc. Biogas energy is the renewable source which is created by the breakdown of some organic matter in anaerobic conditions. It reduces soil and water pollution and also helps in preventing health problems. Hydropower, it is an eco-friendly renewable energy resource. It requires no fuel. Water is the main source of energy and it does not consume water. Thank you.
I request participants to switch on their camera when they are speaking about their poster.
Yes, while presenting the poster, you can at least turn on your cameras.
Yes, Arshita, it is fine. Now, next participant should come. Ma'am.
Yes, now I request Mrinal
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
present his poster. Yes, Mrinal, we can see your screen. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Ma'am, I have used Canva for making this poster on save energy. Like, first of all, energy conservation plays an important role for saving a non-renewable energy resources. And energy conservation is very important and leads to a preservation of fuels. Like, we can make some steps of saving energy, like we should turn on the lights when it's not in use, or we should go solar, and we should install solar panels in our house to get economical electricity. And I'm also wearing this green cap that shows that we should save energy to conserve to conserve our planet, so that our India can become an energy efficient nation. Yeah, so that's all about.
Can you please explain your poster a bit, Mrinal?
Like, basically, I have used Canva software to make this posters. I have used a lot of transitions and graphical effects in it, and I use shapes to show, like, shape pictures of save energy and some quotations, so that I can spread a message to all over India, like we should save our energy, so that it can be not wasted at all. And so for that, we should use some preventive measures, like we should turn off our lights or fans when not in use, and we should use energy efficient appliances, and we should go solar. Yeah,
Thank you,
that's
Mrinal, for the presentation. We really appreciate your
and
effort.
that's for like, I am also wearing a green cap that shows that we should save energy. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mrinal. Yes, Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
please present your poster. Please share your screen, Ria.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Dutch first year student. I'm BBA. So, in this photo, you can see
Sorry, camera button.
we can use uh, cycle instead of individual transportations. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria, for your presentation. Now I would request Vishal to present his poster.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Beta.
I am Vishal from BCA third semester morning. I make poster on India's innovation towards becoming energy efficient nation. These pie charts show how energy resource used for making our nation efficient. This person thinks about types of resources of making energy efficient in our nation. These all are energy resource type. Save energy and use renewable resource of energy for save nature. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you so much for the presentation. Now I would request Manas to present his poster.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, good morning, everyone. I am Mantra Manas Acharya from BCA Morning, third sem. The tagline of this poster is by conserving the energy, we can witness the birth of a new earth. This poster depicts the rebirth of our present earth, and this can be made possible only by taking care of earth and its resources. Energy conservation is achievable either by using energy more efficiently or by reducing the amount of usage. It also saves our non-renewable energy sources. Energy conservation also strengthens the economy and is good for scientific research purposes also. So yes, to make our earth reborn or to refresh our earth, we definitely have to push our focus on energy conservation. Only then we can save our earth. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vite, for your presentation. Mukund? Is Mukund there? No, he's not. Tanya is also not there. Okay, so ma'am, this is the end of the people who, this is the end of the posters. Please stop sharing your screen, ma'am, please. This is the end of the posters that we have had with us. I would like to thank all the participants for making this special effort in joining this special competition on the occasion of Energy Conservation Day on 14th of December 2021, with the hope that we all actually start conserving some energy and we think for future generations. I would like to thank everybody for participating. Thank Anisha ma'am for her coordination and support throughout the event. And also thank the IIC for conducting such events which are so helpful for the students and the nation alike. So, ma'am, any ending thoughts from your side? You can mark your
Yes, ma'am,
attendance.
that
The
we can.
attendance form is link is shared on the chat box. You can mark your attendance to that form.
Ma'am, Mukund is joining. Actually,
Everybody
he's
can
saying
turn
that
on their camera so that we can have a picture, a final picture.
Ma'am, Mukund is also joining, I think, because
Okay, okay. So we
one
can
student
wait
told
for
me that he's also joining.
we can
So,
wait for him.
yeah, till now we can take a group photograph also, like
Yes, yes.
yeah. So, Mohan, please, Mohan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohan, please take the group photograph also. Switch on.
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you, please switch on your camera also. All the students are requested to switch on your camera so that we can have a group photograph there. I think Ria Johan.
Everybody, please turn on your camera for the picture. And
Ankit, Yash.
ma'am, we also have one more participant,
Nasrin.
Deekshita Adhikari.
Okay, ma'am. So
Present.
we can, yeah, she can also do. Have you taken the pic, Mohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, Dikshita, you can start giving your presentation. Ma'am, you can remove your screen so that Diksha will
Yes, ma'am.
share her screen. Dikshita, can you switch on your camera here?
Yes, ma'am.
Poster.
Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay.
Yes,
So I'm okay, ma'am. So I'm Dikshita Adhikari, and this is my poster. In this, I have shown a flower in which the petals contain some names of the schemes introduced by the government for energy efficiency, for example, Ujala and Ijeda. And the flower shows the blooming state of the country towards becoming an energy efficient nation. Furthermore, the bulb is an indication of new ideas and innovation in the same area. I've also showcased two protecting biodiversity and of fish growth. Ma'am, I've completed.
Okay, Dikshita.